Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to show you in this video SamCart review. SamCart is a platform that I use to sell some products and services that I do inside my business. And so this is just one of the platforms that I use to sell digital products and services. SamCart is one of the platforms that I came across a few years ago, and I finally decided to watch the free webinar. And on the webinar, after the webinar was over, they gave you a call to action to join for a very low rate. And so they came up with a new feature now where you can also build courses. So this makes this platform even more so valuable because now you can build courses out, which you can use to help sell your products and services that you may already have. So if you're new to the industry and you're looking to start to sell digital products and services, this is definitely one to check out. Inside the description of the video, I'm going to leave you a link, which is to a free webinar workshop that you can attend to get more information about it. And I am an affiliate of this program, so if you do make a purchase through the link, I will get a commission. So I have to disclose that up front as an affiliate of any products or services that I may offer, full disclosure. So I'm at the sign-in page SamCart, so I'm about to log in. So I click on the login, then I'm gonna go to my dashboard. And so just how it looks when you log in initially. It shows what other sales you may have had and things of that nature, page views, stuff like that. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to products. And so these are the different products that I was promoting throughout the year that people can take advantage of on my YouTube channel. So if you already been to my YouTube channel, and you probably subscribe already, or you check me out from a distance or behind the scenes, you've probably seen these promotions. These I consider sale pages. I'm just going to click on this one as an example of my coaching program. So I got a little image of myself. Uh, Also give an ebook with this particular promotion, and the price point that goes with it was $197. So from there, we go to checkout page. Click on the checkout page. And I normally go to the one-page template. From there, we scroll all the way down to here. And so this here will remember whatever you've created. So if you decide to go do something totally different, it'll still bring up the last thing you created. So you would basically have to start a whole new sales page or delete all this out because it's going to bring everything you've done on your last uh, product page to this one. So the fast track to success woman, get some information about it, an image of myself, some stuff that's gonna cover, and some bonuses that I had during that time, and then a price point. So the initial price point was zero because I was doing a free trial for 14 days, and after that you had to pay $197. So that's basically how SamCart works. It's basically to me for people who already got products and services that they're selling, but they might not have a platform to sell from. SamCart is one you might want to take a look at. And so you can hit preview or publish. So if you hit preview, it's going to show you how it's going to look uh, to the end user. And then from there, you go back. This has already been published, so I'm just going to go back. Come out of this. Go by the products again. So that's just an example of how to create a product. So if you want to create another product, you hit new product, and then you put a product name, then you put a description. You can do a one-time payment, recurring payments, limited subscription, or pay what you want. Those are 4 different options. And from there, you put the price point and you hit create product. And basically that's how simple it is when it comes to creating a product. And then from there, what you would do is go build out your sales page for your product. And then it has some training for you to help you with this platform. So what we're going to do is go check out the training. So we go here to we go to switch application. We got the SamCart affiliate dashboard. We click on the dashboard. These are these are the different links you can use to promote SamCart with, which I'll be doing. So one of these links will be inside the description of the video that you can click on. You can register for the free on-demand webinar, which simply means you can pick a time to watch the webinar, which would be a real short time frame. So if you clicked on 1 o'clock, you probably get watch the free webinar at 1:15 and 1:10. So those are the new strategies they're using when it comes to free webinars, is where you can watch it based on a short time frame, opposed to registering for the webinar and having to wait 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 hours. You can watch it in a short time frame. So clicks, these are the clicks that your pages will get once you start promoting. This is my main one, the demo. So it got 543 clicks so far. So this is the main one I'm promoting because this one here, when you click on this here, and you see this is how it looks. So you get to watch on-demand demo of SamCart. So you click watch, you put your name in, email, and you get to pick the time. See, it's 11:21 right now, so you can pick 11:25. So that's 4 minutes from now. Boom. And if you got 4 minutes, if you can watch this, if you got time to watch it, you choose this one. Then here, you're selecting the option. It asks you some questions about your sales. If you're new, you haven't made any sales, not yet, then you hit submit. So that's how it is. Simple it is when it comes to registering for this on-demand demo of SamCart. Then I'll go back to here. I'm under affiliates, but I'm gonna come out of here, switch the application back, go back here, and say activity, sales. You got that. These are locked, so you got to upgrade to use these here. Reports, use a sale date, sell by date, that's locked. Sell by product, that's open. Anytime you see a lock on it, that means you have no access to it. Then the apps, these are all locked because you don't have access to any of these. But this is a course app. It's a new feature they came out with a couple of months back. Well, matter of fact, back in May. So this here is two of the courses. One, two courses that I'm working on for my coaching program, and one is a mini income tax course. So this is the course library. It's included with whatever plan you enroll in. This comes with it. So that's how powerful this is now, that you can build your own courses out, which you can use to help sell whatever product or service you already have. And so that's how I'm using SamCart with the product or service I have. I also sell off Podia. That's another all-in-one platform I use to sell digital products from as well. So when it comes to that, here, the training library, click on training library. As we wait for the training library to kick in, this is here where you want to come to learn stuff. It says start here, launch your new page now. So if you're just getting started, you want to start right here, and you want to watch this video. Then from there, once you watch this video, took notes, and got good at this information here, because this is going to help you build out your sales pages, then scale with SamCart, the one-page masterclass. So it shows you how to use one-page one-page template that I showed you, one-page blueprint workshop, one-page launch, top seller strategies, traffic tactic masterclass, Facebook ad academy, the product creation masterclass. So these are the different classes you want to definitely utilize to learn from. That's going to help you sell your digital products and services online. And so, just an example here. Continue. Click on this. See, this is going to give you some information. I completed this first part. and you go to the next lesson, next lesson, next lesson. But this here is going to give you a framework that you can use with this blueprint. It's got a framework, and if you use the framework, it's going to help you to sell better when it comes to your private services. Because the framework is designed to educate your end user on what you had to offer, especially if you probably not established already online. You probably don't have an audience, or you're dealing with cold traffic, but you're in front of people who might be looking for what you had to offer. Like me, I have a YouTube channel that's already established that helps me to get clients inside my coaching business. And so if I use this one-page blueprint framework when it comes to my sales pages that I create, then that's going to help me to uh, get clients who may not be really familiar with me, but came across me through my marketing efforts. So this is the SamCart platform that I like. So again, it was just an overview. Going back to products. So these are the different products you can create here. So on my YouTube channel, I have all these different products already created, uh, and they still live. So if you happen to go to YouTube and you see one of these sales pages and you like what it's talking about, you like the bonuses that come with it, you can still make a purchase because I haven't deactivated these sale pages at all. They'll be active all year to December 31st, 2021. So you still have opportunity to take advantage of one of these uh, promotions that's already expired. Like I got one that's going on now, which is for my original price of $1,999. I have two sale pages for that. One is for the one-time payment of $1,999 with some awesome bonuses, and then this one here gives you 4 payments of $499 in 90-day increments. So you make your initial payment of $499, and then 90 days after that you make your second payment, and after 90 days after that you make your third payment, and then your 90 days after that you make your fourth payment. So that's how that works with SamCart. You get to customize the days you want to have your next payments due. So this gives the opportunity for people who don't really know me, but like me well enough to want to do business with me, to realize that I'm the real deal. And within 9 months, they had their business up and running and set up and good to go. And that gives them the confidence in my ability to keep the promise I made to them inside my YouTube videos on how I can help you with my coaching program to help you set up your own tax preparation service from A to Z and help you become profitable within an 18-month time frame. So this is a SamCart overview. If you're looking to sell digital products and service, SamCart is just one. Like I say, Podia is another one. I'm gonna do a video on Podia as well, introducing you to all on my platform as well. And I'll definitely see you in my next video.